Hey, good day, guys. This is Chibuzago, and welcome to Blogging for Tech channel. You all guys, if you're familiar with my channel, you agree that yes, I bought a Redmi Note 10 5G. That was a few days back, of which I did a video revealing the phone, and there's the phone right here. So, most guys that bought this phone at the first time, there's a popular situation or problem that most people normally find themselves. Originally the Redmi Note 10 5G is actually a dual SIM phone, or let's say the second SIM is a hybrid SIM, whereby you can either use the second SIM, that's the SIM 2, as an external storage, or you can also use it as a SIM card. So this is the phone I'm talking about. Yes, the display, the wallpaper is actually carousel wallpaper, whereby it does show different kind of display once you switch it on and off. So in this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily, or how to place the second SIM, that's the SIM 2, on the SIM tray. That is, if actually you want to make use of the second SIM instead of using the SIM 2 as an external storage. So that's what I'll be showing you in this video, in order for you not to find it difficult. So as you already know, the phone has a side mounted fingerprint scanner, which you can easily use to unlock the phone, which I just did. So the first thing we need to do, let me remove the backpack and also bring out the SIM tray so that we'll see what I'm talking about. Before I do that, I need to switch the phone off first. That's the first thing. Yes, tap it out, then off. So now, so I just brought out the backpack. This is it, and this is the phone. So now let me bring out the SIM tray first to see what I'm talking about. So I've actually removed the SIM tray. This is a phone. You all know how to remove the SIM tray using the spin. So this is the SIM tray itself. So as you can see, I'm already making use of dual SIM. So originally, let me remove both SIMs. This second SIM, this second SIM, okay, this is a second SIM placeholder, which serves as the memory card slot and also the SIM tray. Let me move it to where there's a bit of light. So as you can see, this is the same. This very portion is that of the same one. Then this other portion, that's a hybrid SIM tray, whereby you can use a memory, a SIM card or an SD card for expansion of your internal storage. So let me show you how it is being placed. If for the first SIM, you have to notice this curve end shape of your SIM card. So it goes this way. You have to turn it upside down, the same one. So that is how the first SIM is being placed. So what normally gets most people confused is that of this SIM too. So you notice this curve shape just like this. So instead of turning it upside down, just like in SIM 1, you have to place it this way. Let the curve shape comes up and you have to move it, trying to place it. Voila. So that's the position it should be placed. You notice there's a space, like a space in between both SIMs. Here's the middle. So that's the way it is properly placed. You see the SIM 1, this is SIM 1, and this is the second SIM 2 slot, where you can either use it as an expansion for your storage, that is placing in an SD card, or you can also use it as a SIM 2, just like I did in this SIM tray. So as you can see, notice the portion whereby it is placed, and notice that space in between both SIMs. So that is how you can easily place two SIMs on a Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 5G. Just like I said, this is a hybrid. The SIM 2 is a hybrid SIM. So this is how it should be placed. Once the SIM 1 is turned this way, you now turn the SIM 2 the other way around so that it can be placed properly. So we've come to the end of this video. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and also share this video for most people that are finding it difficult to place their SIM properly, And you can also subscribe to this channel. Just like I said, Chibuzago is my name, and this channel we actually bring in tutorials from the technology world. So before you leave, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification for you to get notified whenever I release similar videos just like this. And also you can go to the channel and watch catalogs of videos that is of your interest. So with that, we've come to the end of this video, and subscribe because I'll be bringing more tips and tricks from the Redmi Note 10 5G. So bye bye for now.